Here is your very first Karanga lesson to learn when you are in the role of a Manuwhiri going on to a marae or establishment. Manuwhiri is a reference symbolizing a bird. When it lands on the ground, it will fold its wings behind and upon its back, and their feet will delicately walk very cautiously across the ground. Manu meaning bird and whiri means to fold, in this case a bird folding its wings upon its back. Observe your visitors when they come onto your marae. They too will place their hands behind their backs and very cautiously walk onto the marae. The general basis of a karanga is actually known as a poroporaki, which is the kaupapa, and the karanga is the physical mahi of the poroporaki. The karanga should be treated with great respect because its main function is to open the doorways to the spiritual dimension, to call upon our dearly departed loved ones to participate in our pōwhiri to the Manuwhiri who have arrived to our marae, and to welcome their kawemate to be presented to the tupuna whare. Kia tangi hia, kia poroporaki tia. Like te reo rangatira, the karanga is slowly losing its spiritual value, and it is used more today in a physical sense. Hence the importance to maintain its spiritual value, or it may be lost forever, like the moa. The word Manuwhiri can be interpreted as birds of the day, of the physical world, and pōwhiri can be interpreted as birds of the night, of the spiritual world. When we pōwhiri our Manuwhiri, we actually performing the pōwhiri in a spiritual manner, meaning for the Haukainga we are representing our tupuna whare and all its whakapapa that is attached to it. Now let's put into practice what we have just finished learning in our wānanga. Like the mihi, listen very carefully to the karanga on how she effectively breathes to control the words of each line, and how she manages to pronounce each word and line together to make it flow like water in a creek. This is the basic way to achieve spirituality and harmony in your voice, mind, and body. You don't have to scream the words out or be loud. Just be one with yourself and the universe. Karanga Manuwhiri to Haukainga. The Karanga formation. 1. Opening to the celestial heavens. 2. Dedication to Tini Mate. 3. Acknowledgement to the tupuna whare. 4. Acknowledging the paipai tapu.
Karanga tira ki ngarangi tuhaha ki te toa ngarangi e. Karanga mai ra.
Karanga Manuwhiri to Haukainga. The Karanga formation. 1. Opening to the celestial heavens. 2. Dedication to Tini Mate. 3. Acknowledgement to the tupuna whare. 4. Acknowledging the paipai tapu.
Karanga mai ra ki ngā puna wairua, ki ngā puna roe mata, ki ngā puna tangata e. Ka eke mai ra I te rangi nei e. Karanga mai ra.
Karanga Manuwhiri to Haukainga. The Karanga formation. 1. Opening to the celestial heavens. 2. Dedication to Tini Mate. 3. Acknowledgement to the tupuna whare. 4. acknowledging the pai tapu.
Tēnā rā koe te tūpuna whare tū mai nei e pupuri nei mai hi tapu no ngā tūpuna mātua Tēnā koutou, tēnā rā koutou.
Karanga Manuwhiri to Haukainga. The Karanga formation. 1. Opening to the celestial heavens. 2. Dedication to Tini Mate. 3. Acknowledgement to the tūpuna awhare. 4. Acknowledging the pai tapu.
Tēnā rā koutou e noho nei runga I te pai tapu o tō tātou kingi atu hei te e. Tēnā koutou, tēnā rā koutou.